Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create a Google Slides presentation step by step. Whether it's for school, work, or a project, Google Slides makes creating and sharing presentations really easy. This full guide for 2026 will take you from a blank slide to a polished presentation. First, go to slides.google.com and log in with your Google account. You can start with a blank presentation or choose from a template. Templates are useful if you want a professional design quickly. Next, add a title to your presentation on the first slide. Choose a theme from the right-hand panel to give your slides a consistent look. The theme sets fonts, colors, and layout style automatically. To add new slides, click the plus button or use the drop-down to select a specific layout. Layouts include title slides, content slides, section headers, and more. Click on text boxes to add content. You can also insert images, videos, charts, or diagrams using the Insert menu. Even importing from Google Drive or the web is super easy. Format your slides using font styles, colors, and alignments. Use the Arrange menu to move objects, group elements, or align items. Consistent formatting makes your slides look professional. To make your presentation dynamic, add slide transitions and object animations. Choose effects and apply them to all or selected slides. Google Slides allows real-time collaboration. Click Share, add email addresses, or generate a link. Set permissions. Team members can edit simultaneously or leave comments. When your slides are ready, click Present to start full screen mode. You can also download as PDF, PPTX, or share directly via link. Google Slides gives multiple options for presenting and distributing, and that's how to create a Google Slides presentation step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you make professional slides like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.